Hey guys, welcome back to Help Quick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to block someone on Monopoly Go. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to block someone inside Monopoly Go, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, if you want to just say like if you want to remove someone or block someone from so that you can basically not interact with them inside Monopoly Go, well, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Monopoly Go here, log in into your account, and you want to go to the friend section at the bottom right of your screen. Now, in here, you want to go to the leaderboard section at the right side. So that's where your friends are going to be listed. And you want to make sure that you actually select the friend section here. So once you've selected that, what we need to do next is you want to go and just select the friend that you want to block in here. Like for example, let's go and select one of the friends that we have. So once you've selected them, you should be able to see a three-dotted icon just underneath the dice section or at the pop-up here. So once you do see that, that's the orange dot in here. So dotted icon, and you should see the remove button. Now, if you're looking for any block or anything like that, well, the thing with Monopoly Go is you only have the option to remove them, not block them. So currently, this is the only option that we could use right now to basically copy what a block would usually look like or what block almost does. So in this case, you want to go and click on remove here to remove them from your friends list. And once you've removed them, basically there's not much interaction you will get from that specific user or player inside Monopoly Go. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.